Slurry comes with a heavy environmental burden, including greenhouse gas emissions, local pollution, and negative impacts on soil health. Could composting animal wastes, like manure, help solve this problem? Traditional composts are usually aerobic and made from farm wastes like manure, straw, and other bedding materials. Alternatively, anaerobic composting using microbes, known as Bokashi, ferments these waste materials, retaining nutrients and releasing them in bioavailable forms for plants. To investigate the potential benefits, traditional manure and Bokashi composts were trialled on maize fields and in the lab. Bokashi composts proved practical and cost-effective to make and store in bunkers ready for application with normal farm equipment. Maize grew equally as well with Bokashi as traditional manure. The raw ingredients greatly influenced Bokashi compost mixtures, especially moisture content and carbon to nitrogen ratios. When Bokashi was applied at pot rather than field scale, maize grew taller when Bokashi was spread on top of soil rather than being mixed in, but unexpectedly, maize's chlorophyll content and root coverage was more without Bokashi fertilizer. Composts like Bokashi have potential for slow release of nutrients, but future studies are needed to measure the impacts on plants and land after application.